The Einhell GE-LC 1810-25 cordless chainsaw is a versatile tool that offers reliable performance for both hobby gardeners and professionals. Equipped with a high-quality Oregon guide bar and chain, this chainsaw ensures precise and efficient cutting. Safety is a priority with its kickback protection and mechanical emergency brake that stop the chain instantly in case of sudden rearing. The ergonomic handle and robust metal claw stop provide comfort and stability during use. Tool-free chain tensioning and changing make maintenance straightforward and hassle-free. While it does not include a battery or charger, it is compatible with any 18-volt power exchange battery, offering flexibility for users.